ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಲಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು, ಎದ್ದೇಳು ಬೇಗ.
ಅಕ್ಕ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ನೋಡು, ಅಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಗಿಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರೋ ತಿಂಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎದ್ದೇಳು ಬೇಗ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಅರೇ, ನೀನಿನ್ನೂ ಹಾಲೇ ಕುಡ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ ಅಕ್ಕ.
ಬೇಗ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿ, ಎದ್ದೇಳು ಬೇಗ. ಅರೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ?
ಅಕ್ಕ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ತಾಗಿ ಹಾಲು ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೀಯಾ? ಹಾಲಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ನಿಂಗೆ?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡು, ಆಯ್ತು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ.
ಹೇಳೇ
ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಾನೇ, ಬಿಡು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಲಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
ಇದೀಯಾ?
ಅಕ್ಕ, ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ರೋಡಿನ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಿಂದ ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಲು ತರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಹೋ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಲು ನಿಂಗೆ ಅಂಗಡಿಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕದ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ತಾನೇ ಹಾಲು ತರೋದು.
ಸರಿ, ಹಾಲು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸರಿ, ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗು. ನಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಲು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಂಗೆ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿವರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಬಾ.
Hello, little friends. Your mom usually says, drink milk. You need to grow stronger. But have you ever wondered where this milk comes from? Cows aren't the only animals that gives milk. We get milk from goats, sheep, camels, donkeys, and a few others. Today, we shall take a tour of a dairy farm. So, come along. There are more than 800 different breeds of cattle around the world. In India, there are more than 30 different varieties of desi cows. Back in olden days, most families owned at least one cow. In our country, cows are considered sacred and special. How do cows communicate? Cows say moo, and that's the way they talk to each other. Cows eat only plants and plant products, so they are called herbivores. All cows are red, green, colorblind. They cannot differentiate these colors. Now, we have reached Vritta Go Bhumi. It's a cow farm in Ullalli in Mysore district. Here, we have Indian breed of cows called Kankridge. It's one of the pure Indian breeds of cow. They are large in size and it is one of the heaviest Indian cattle breeds. What do cows like to eat? Cows are known for their special type of stomach. One stomach with 4 different compartments. Thanks to their special stomach, cows are able to eat a lot of different kinds of plants and grasses. When a cow eats, it first swallows its food without chewing and stores it in one of its compartments. Once it finds a quiet place to continue, it vomits the food back up and slowly chews it into tiny pieces that are easy to break down. Makes you hungry, doesn't it? Here you can see a huge stack of hay. Cows eat a lot of hay. They graze on fresh grass. What's grazing? It's a land where farm animals feed on grass. Cows spend about 8 hours in a day eating and 8 hours in a day sleeping. They can also sleep while they are standing. Cows drink about a bathtub full of water every day. How many glasses of water do you drink every day? Cows are very friendly and gentle animals. They are very social and don't like to be alone. And just like humans, they like to spend time with their friends. Here's an interesting fact about cows. When cows are in deep mud, they can actually run faster than a horse. Amazing, isn't it? Here you can see an adorable baby cow. His name is Modi. He shares his birthday with our Prime Minister. The young one of a cow is called a calf. Adult males are generally called bulls. This is a bull. Bulls are a kind of really powerful animals. Bulls can have large horns on their heads, while cows will have udders. This is a cow's udder. Each cow has 4 teeth that come out of its udder. That's where the milk comes from. Removing of milk from udder of cows is called milking. Milking may be done by hand or machine. After milking, the milk is delivered to houses for use or it is taken to factories to make a lot of milk products. Cows have a huge variety of uses all over the world. Thousands of years ago, people would use them to buy and trade things. Today, cows are mainly used for food items like dairy. Can you name a few dairy products? Oh yes, lot of yummy things come from milk like curd, cheese, butter and my favorite, ice cream. What is your favorite dairy product? Name some dishes that are made from milk at your home. Cow's dung, cow's urine and other farm waste are used in making several products. These are all natural products and good for environment. Whether you have your own farm with cows or only enjoy their delicious dairy products, cows are an important part of our community and world. These amazing animals are utterly fantastic. Now, let's meet the other members in this farm. Come, let's explore. I hope you enjoyed visiting our farm. So tell me what you like the most about this farm and tell me why cows are important. Here's an activity for you all children. Take a glass of warm milk, add 2 teaspoons of curd to it. Keep it overnight and observe it in the next morning. Note down your observation.
ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಈ ಹಾಲು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಗ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ?
ಹಾ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಈ ಹಾಲಿನಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಜ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಾನು ಹಾಲು ಚೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಗುಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್.
Here are some fun facts about animals.
Elephants can't jump. A flamingo can eat only when its head is upside down. A giraffe can lick inside its own ears. A golden fish cannot remember anything beyond 3 seconds. A snail can sleep for 3 long years. A sea turtle lives for more than 100 years. Kangaroos cannot walk backwards. Frogs drink water through their skin. Starfish have no brains.